Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys are doing very well, and in this video I am going to talk about how to use WinRAR to extract file. So this is a website, or this is the apps where we are allowed to download it to our computer. So you just need to visit on winrar.com. Just go and paste it here and you will be landed in that place where you are allowed to download WinRAR. So the process is really simple, and you can buy it the premium plan also. It's totally up to you. Since I have already downloaded this WinRAR, I'm just going to work on it. So once I download it, I can compress file or encrypt like package and backup with only one utility. So you can extract it whenever you want. Just click over here and click on show more option, and here we have three options. Like, let's check it out one by one. First of all, we are going to click on extract file, and it will be extracted where we are going to select the location. It's totally up to you. We have the full control over that place. So just click over here, okay, and you will be see that our folder has been extracted that place, and this is our folder. And if you want to use the second one, let's go and extract here. Then you can see we have only this font demo already extracted. It does not get with any folder. So if you want to compress this file, these two files, then you are able to do it. Just select it and click on compress to zip file, and it will be extracted here. So you can see the magic how you can use WinRAR and why you need to be use it. As you can see, this two folder size, if I check this out, properties, it will be 559 KB, and if I check this out, it is only 19.7 KB. So you can compress all largest file into the minimum file. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you think this video was knowledgeable for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.